See the little LEDs in there. It's ready to fly. You see those cool? Now Steve's saying let's fly. So, all right, I'm gonna listen to Steve, and we're gonna go fly the Tomzon Flying Pig. It should be fun. Hey, this is Dad Random, and I have got this drone from Tomzon. This is like the coolest drone for kids. It's just a toy drone that's very inexpensive. Something that CNET actually promoted not too long ago. And the silly thing for this one is that they call it basically the Flying Pig. I have no idea why they call this the Flying Pig, but it's packaged pretty cool. It is right there, and it's got a really cool little controller, and I've already put batteries in this little controller right here. It's kid size. Like I said, you can see it's very, very small. Steve likes it. Steve's already going, hey dude, I want it. Yeah, that's a drone controller, huh? Yeah, he knows. So there it is right there. Really simple controls, calibration controls, and basically linking controls. Calibration, I believe, is out, and then linking is in, just like that. Extra props right there. They're just friction mount. And this is the Flying Pig. And Steve knows what a Flying Pig is because he wants to chase it. And it comes with two of these little batteries. They are, let me just double check to see if I can find the 710 mAh. So these should give you a pretty good flying time. And this thing has got little LEDs, that's why they're clear. So this thing should blink up. This also has, if you look at the bottom, it has optical flow, so it will keep stable at low level. So you can fly it around the house. So it's like that. Prop guards, so you can bump into stuff. So it's like a really, really nice this is actually a USB-C charger. So Tomzon, when they made this drone, they totally updated it. These are brushed motors, you can see, because they're taller. But you can see the little LEDs in there. You see those? All right. What? Now Steve's saying let's fly. So, all right, I'm gonna listen to Steve, and we're gonna go fly the Tomzon Flying Pig. It should be fun. And these drones are made, like I said, they're made for kids. This is a line of sight drone, so everything is just going to be within a small area, about, I don't know, about 200 feet is probably what I would recommend. All right, Dad Random with the Flying Pig by Tomzon. Yes. So here's the Flying Pig. It kind of looks piggy, doesn't it, if you look at the controller? So basically, sticks in, calibration, so that gives it a gyro calibration, so it's ready to go. And then sticks out, it's ready to fly. You see those cool lights? How they keep changing colors? That's pretty cool. And then you got the take off and a land button. Doesn't get much simpler than that. So if you're gonna teach a young kid how to fly, there's very few steps, and that's what makes this drone really super cool. So sticks in, calibration, sticks out, oops, sticks out, there you go, gets the drone moving, ready to go. So then I could just basically go up like any other drone by just moving the up stick, and then there's a basically timeout. So pretty cool. All right, so let's go out and let's go take off and give it a fly, and I'll show you how to just basically lift it off. Okay, so here we go. There we go. And let it stabilize. And let's go and fly around a little bit. Pretty easy to fly. This is a very simple flyer. Low altitude. And If you want to see it flip forward, I'll do that right now. Do the forward flip. There you go. Forward flip, sideways flip. There she is. She's very stable and very easy to learn. Very, very simple. It's a little bit breezy out, but it's handling the breeze pretty good. And go ahead. Flip. Yeah, low level flip. Here, flip. Right there, very easy, easy to set up, easy control functions. Give it a shot. It's very, very, very inexpensive, great for kids, dog friendly, house friendly, and like I said, it's got all the safety features, under 250 grams, no licensing required. You can't get much better than that. Yes, later, Dad Random with the Tomzon Flying Pig. Definitely a go-getter, something that you want to look for this summer. You know, you're not gonna go wrong with this simple setup. Later, bye. Dad Random and the Tomzon Flying Pig. Yes.